Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Meta. We previously published an initial report on our website on Monday, January 22, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from December 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a promising investment opportunity, giving it a score of 2.40. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced a remarkable gain of 16.9% since we first recommended Meta as a buy candidate 30 days ago. This means an average daily return of 0.56% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a strong rising trend, which presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. We can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend in the near future. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $384.54, it indicates an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential change of 20.92% over the next 3 months. This means there is a possible return between 10.91% and 21.8%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend suggests a significant change of 103.79% over the next year. This could lead to a potential return between 78.15% and 105.1%. In terms of price, it may range from $680.14 to $783.02 after a year. Today's update on Meta brings an important headline: weaker technical forecast for Meta as stock downgraded to buy candidate. The stock price of Meta experienced a slight decline of 0.436% on the previous trading day, which was Monday, January 22, 2024. It went from $383.45 to $381.78. Throughout the day, the stock showed a fluctuation of 2.41%, starting at a low of $381.16 and reaching a high of $390.35. It's worth noting that the stock has been on an upward trend, with 6 out of the last 10 days seeing price increases. In the past 2 weeks, it has risen by 8.48%. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased along with the stock, which is usually a positive indicator as volume tends to follow the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 2 million shares on the last day, with a total of 17 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $6.67 billion. Looking at the broader picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the stock was $390.35, while the lowest price was $138.66. Currently, the price is 2.2%, equivalent to $8.57, below the 52-week high. It's important to note that the current price is also the all-time high for this stock. Today, let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for Meta. On Wednesday, January 17, 2024, Wells Fargo gave Meta a market perform grade with a hold action. Moving on to Monday, January 8, 2024, Wedbush gave Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. Also on January 8, 2024, Raymond James gave Meta a strong buy grade with a hold action. Let's now go back to Monday, November 20, 2023. Wedbush gave Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. Lastly, on the same day, Wells Fargo gave Meta an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Meta stock a general rating of strong buy. They have also rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. Additionally, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. Let's explore the signals identified for Meta stock. The Meta stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast. Additionally, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, further supporting a buy signal. In case of price corrections, there is potential support at $374.48 and $348.68. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be triggered. Another buy signal comes from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, there have also been some negative signals that could impact short-term development. On Friday, January 19, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -0.436% so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Today, let's explore some interesting signals in the stock market. First, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence has shown a recent buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands have given a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 12 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 31 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 52 days ago. Now, let's dive into the 12-month chart analysis. The short moving average suggests a buy signal 30 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 58 days ago. To explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Meta. Let's start with the downside. The stock has some key support levels to watch out for. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $334.92 and $299.53. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If the current support at $334.92 is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level at $299.53 and $288.35. Moving on to risk, this stock has average movements during the day in good trading volume, which puts its risk level at medium. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $9.19 between its high and low, representing a 2.41% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.15%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Meta, let's first go over some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. This P/E ratio is considered quite normal, which is often observed in companies with a long track record or predictable revenues. Now, let's turn our attention to the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023, which is expected to be released on February 7, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $4.75. These numbers should be closely monitored as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some potential day trading levels for Meta. If Meta experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $383.45. If you're not currently invested in Meta, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. However, if you already own shares, this could be an opportunity to consider swing trading. On the other hand, if Meta faces a downward movement, it encounters its first support level at $334.92. Should this support level hold, it could serve as a potential entry point for traders, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Meta is a strong buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider activity involves Zuckerberg Mark, who bought and sold a total of 18,226 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -41.503. Overall, insiders purchased 67,104 shares and sold 163,350 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $367.40, which represents a decrease of 3.77%. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a general good trend for Meta stock. We believe that the current level could be a buying opportunity. However, we want to note that there are some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, which led us to downgrade our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate. When we analyze the volatility and movements of the stock for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, January 23rd, we expect Meta stock to open up $2.65 and start trading at $384.43. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We always recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for determining your investment choices. By using the information provided, you assume full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Agree or disagree? Comment below and share your perspective. What target do you have in mind for the stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our content. Wishing you successful trading and a fantastic day from all of us here at Stock Invest.